Hello guys, review Xiaomi Pad 5. This version 6GB RAM away and 128GB internal memory. Open box, look, completation. In completation we have device, okay. And we have documentary on this, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. This all completation, okay. And now talk about tablet. Made of glass and metal. On the back side double camera, single camera, sorry, on the back side. On the front side display 11-inch. On downside connector for dock station. This side speakers and power key. This side second speakers Type-C port. Upside volume keys. Okay. Turn on device. We have full HD plus display, IPS display. Okay. Open Geekbench 5, look about system information. We have CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 860. This octa-core processor 4+3+1 cores. And GPU Adreno 630. Resolution and display PPA. Look, single core test results and multi-core test results, CPU test and GPU test results. Okay. Look onto the benchmark. Okay, very good results. Close this and run the money game GTA San Andreas. Game works perfect, without lags and glitches. Okay, very good, close this. And that's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.